Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Rebel salute to expand cultural experiences for international patrons. The 26th staging of the Rebel Salute Music Festival will introduce tour options which include accommodation, transportation and visits to several local attractions in an effort to immerse international patrons into the rich cultural heritage of Jamaica. Patrons can also experience the organic festival experience via camping, and ganja lovers will be catered to at the Herb Curb, which will feature an array of exhibits and a private smoking lounge. Still on the bill is the customary food, arts and crafts, and world-class entertainment. Speaking at the media launch held yesterday, reggae singer Queen Ifrica shared what fans can expect at this year's staging.
Queen Ifrica and Rebel Salute is like magic, you know what I mean? I give thanks today when I became a part of this team, yeah? Because over the years, people know me through that stage. Rebel Salute has always been dubbed the preservation of reggae for a reason. It's all the artists that you have heard about, know them songs, never seen them before, but you know this is a space that you can come into and you can hear a song and you can say, is that person that sing it? And you can see the person, put a face to the person. That's very good because Jamaica is the mecca of reggae and dancehall music, and so therefore we must have a lot of these festivals here.
Rebel Salute is set for next month in Priory St. Anne. Big name collaborations for veteran artist Cockatee in 2019. Following his soothing performance at Unruly Fest recently, the She Loves Me Now singer shared details on his new music.
Look out for the new album from Cockatee and Major Lazer, which is like Off the Hook, some really crazy tracks with some crazy collaboration and things like that. You got to make sure you mark this down on your calendar. 2019 Cockatee, Major Lazer, a fire.
That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.